वेलकम टू रैप्टर क्लासेस। तो आज हम 25 मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड एमसीक्यूज़ को करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, सोहर एंड सुमनगली आर फेमस फोक म्यूजिक ऑफ विच स्टेट? द ऑप्शंस आर केरला, कर्नाटका, बिहार एंड डी राजस्थान। The right answer of this question is C, Bihar. Now come to next question. Which airlines has launched Project Abhinandan to enhance passenger experience? And the options are Dubai Airlines, Air India, SpiceJet, none of these. Project Abhinandan. The right answer of this question is Air India. Answer number B. Now come to next question. Who abolished doctrine of lapse? हड़पने का सिद्धांत को किसने एबोलिश किया था? द ऑप्शंस आर लॉर्ड डलहौजी, बी लॉर्ड कैनिन, सी लॉर्ड मायो एंड डी लॉर्ड रिपन. द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज लॉर्ड कैनिन. और जो डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ लैप्स है इसको स्टार्ट किया था लॉर्ड डलहौजी ने, और लॉर्ड कैनिन ने इसको एबोलिश किया था. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु वाज द थर्ड प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया? ऑप्शंस आर ए जवाहरलाल नेहरू, बी गुलजारी लाल नंदा, सी इंदिरा गांधी, डी लाल बहादुर शास्त्री. राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज लाल बहादुर शास्त्री. तो जो फर्स्ट है वो जवाहरलाल नेहरू हैं. सेकंड जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर बने थे वो बने थे गुलजारी लाल नंदा. थर्ड जो बने थे वो लाल बहादुर शास्त्री बने थे. और जो फोर्थ है वो गुलजारी लाल नंदा फिर से बने थे सेकेंड टाइम. और जो फिफ्थ नंबर की प्रेसिडेंट थी वो इंदिरा गांधी थी. तो 1, 2, 3 and 5. Now come to next question. Which country border does not touch India? And the options are Nepal, Afghanistan, Pakistan and D none of these. Answer of this question is none of these, because Pakistan, Afghanistan and Nepal all touches India's border. Now come to next question. Which article mentioned election of the President of India? Options are Article 52, Article 53, Article 54 and none of these. Election of the President of India. The right answer of this question is Article 54. तो Article 52 क्या कहता है? तो जो Article 52 है वो कहता है कि there shall be a President of India. Article 53 कहता है कि the executive power of President. और Article 54 क्या है? Action of the President of India. Now come to next question. तो इसका आंसर सी होगा, सी फॉर चाणक्य. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. When was Telangana state formed? The options are A 2000, B 2002, C 2014 and D 2021. Right answer of this question is 2014. C Chanakya 2014. Next question. How many biosphere reserves are present in India? And the options are A 12, B 13, C 14, D 18 biosphere reserves are present in India. The right answer is 18. Now come to next question. When was Battle of Buxar fought? Options are A 1757, B 1764, C 1834, and D none of these. The answer of this question is 1764. बी फॉर बीरबल. ए में क्या हुआ था? 1757 में हुआ था बैटल ऑफ पलासी. 64 में हुआ था बैटल ऑफ बक्सर. Now come to next question. Question number 10. In which state Ellora caves are present? And the options are A Delhi, B Jaipur, C Maharashtra, and D Assam. The right answer of this question is C for Chanakya, that is Maharashtra. Now come to next question. Who was the founder of Pune city? Options are A Jagatpal, B Sahaji Bhosle, C Udayan, and D none of these. Answer of this question is B for Birbal, Sahaji Bhosle. The right answer is Sahaji Bhosle. Now come to next question. Who was the father of modern chemistry? Options are A Aristotle, B Albert Einstein, C A Lavoisier, D none of these. Answer of this question is very simple, that is C for Chanakya, A Lavoisier. Now come to next question. 13. Hottest planet of solar system. Options are Mercury, Jupiter, Earth, none of these. Very simple question. Hottest planet of solar system. The right answer is none of these, because Venus is the hottest planet of the solar system due to presence of carbon dioxide in excess amount. So the right answer is D, none of these. Next question number 14. The most populous city of India. And the options are A Raipur, B Mumbai, C Delhi, and D Patna. The right answer of this question is B for Birbal, Mumbai. Mumbai is the most populous city of India. Come to next question. Question number 15. Who is said to receive the esteemed Asam Vaibhav Award? And the options are A Arjun Munda, B Sachin Tendulkar, C Rajan Gangoi, D Samresh Singh. Assam Vaibhav Award. Answer of this question is Rajan Gangoi, C, that is Chanakya, Rajan Gangoi. Now come to next question. Question number 16. Which becomes the first Indian city to develop a 30 urban spatial digital twins? 30 urban spatial digital twins. And the options are Mumbai, Varanasi, C Jaipur, D Ranchi. Right answer of this question is B for Birbal, that is Varanasi. Now come to next question. 17. Which is the longest river of Jharkhand? And the options are A Swarnarekha, B Damodar, C Mayurakshi, and D North Koyal. दिस इज वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. इसका जो आंसर होगा वो हो जाएगा दामोदर, बी फॉर बिरबल, दामोदर. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. स्टडी ऑफ बोन्स आर कॉल्ड ऑस्टियोलॉजी, कॉस्मोलॉजी, सोशियोलॉजी एंड इकोलॉजी. स्टडी ऑफ बोन्स. राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज osteology. Now jump to next question. Question number 19. Which river is called Saura of Bengal? A Ganga, B Damodar, C Son, D Ajay. The right answer of दिस क्वेश्चन इज बी, that is Damodar. Come to next question. Which state is called land of five rivers? The options are Patna, Punjab, Bihar, none of these. The answer of this question is answer B for Birbal, that is Punjab. Question number 21. Where is Pakyong Airport situated? And the options are A, Nagaland, B, Assam, C, Sikkim, D, Srinagar. The right answer of this question is C for Chanakya, that is Sikkim. Pakyong Airport is situated in Sikkim. Come to next question. What is the symbol of the last Tirthankaras, Mahavira? And the options are tiger, deer, lion, owl. महावीर 24 नंबर के तीर्थंकराज थे जो कि लास्ट थे. इससे पहले 23 जो तीर्थंकार थे उनका नाम था पारसनाथ. तो इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा सी, लायन, सिंबल ऑफ महावीर. कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 23. वेयर इज द हेड क्वार्टर ऑफ टी बोर्ड सिचुएटेड? टी बोर्ड A, Delhi, B, Bombay, C, Kolkata, D for Pune. The right answer of this question is Kolkata, that is C. Next question number 24. Where is Raman Research Institute located? And the options are A, Chennai, B, Pune, C, Bangalore, D, none of these. Raman Institute. The right answer of this question is Bangalore. 25. Last question but not the least. How many chromosomes are present in human beings? Very simple questions. I think all of you know. The answer of this question is 46. 46 chromosomes are present in human beings. Okay, so this is the last question. तो अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चंस अच्छे लगते हैं, अगर आपको इससे नॉलेज गेन होता है तो आप प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, क्योंकि इस तरह के वीडियो में हमेशा इस चैनल पर लाता रहूँगा. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.